What's up, fam? This is Vic from Cutz Premium Lawn Care here in Conyers, Georgia. Fam, I hope you're doing well. Now, what I want to tell y'all guys about is an app called Fiverr. Okay, Fiverr. I'm gonna put it somewhere up there. Now, what I love about this app is that it can make your business logo really cool. Basically, I have some logos that I was trying to design, and I didn't know how to design them. So the app Fiverr is pretty cool. It allows you to contact people who does this for a living. I contacted this guy from Pakistan, and pretty much he developed, or he already have logos that can be created in such a way to make it really cool when your clients or someone comes to either your channel if you do YouTube, or it's also really cool if you're going to put that logo part of your website. So here's some of the designs that I got for my logo. Yeah, they pretty cool. So guess how much that cost me? That's right. Guess how much? Some of you gonna say, oh, it cost you 50. Some of you gonna say it cost you 100. Guess what? It cost me $7. Yes, you get 3 logos, animation logos for $7. I wind up doing 6. So all 6 of them cost me $14. Basically, the person already got the software design. And you see some of the people who actually really good at creating their channels on YouTube, where they got the intros really nice and tight. And I know sometimes you guys are saying that, I'm not really that good of coming up with those logos and those intros. A lot of the work is already done, and we, as the people who created our channels, we're using that that design or video animation from someone who already developed it. You can also do what is called animation video. What I did was I came up with a commercial for the people who are going to come to my website, and I found out that the whiteboard is one of those commercials that people like to watch. So I'm going to show you my my whiteboard commercial, and then I'm going to come back.
Your search is over. Let us show you how you can benefit from our services at Cutz Premium Lawn Care. As one of Google's 5-star rated lawn care businesses in Conyers, Georgia, we take pride in delivering affordable, reliable, and professional services to our clients. Do you find it inconvenient to have to wait on a lawn company to come and give you a quote? With Cutz Premium Lawn Care, we use innovative software that allows us to measure your property and deliver a quote within minutes of your inquiry. Are you tired of running down your lawn care provider, wondering when your lawn will be serviced? Cutz Premium Lawn Care provides clients with the comfort of knowing their weekly and bi-weekly schedules throughout the entire cutting season. Do you find it discouraging having to be home to pay those lawn care guys? Well, no longer. With Cutz' easy and secure method of payments, we accept all forms of credit and debit. Take a look at some of our 5-star reviews. Evelyn says, "The most professional and dependable team I have known. They delivered expert services on schedule on my special type of grass, leaving my lawn the envy of others in the neighborhood." Brenda says, "Excellent service and price. They always let you know what day your yard will be done. We've tried a few other services, and Cutz is by far the best." And Louise says, "Extremely dependable, arrived on time, and made sure the job was done quickly and efficiently. I highly recommend using this company." So, there you have it. Your affordable, reliable, And professional lawn care service is just a click away. Go ahead and request a quote today.
So there you go, fam. That's my whiteboard commercial. And it's really cool because if you design a website, you can put that in and you can explain the process of how you want to price your lawn. And the clients who come onto my website will see it and actually watch it. Now, what are your thoughts on how much you would pay for a whiteboard advertisement like that? Some of y'all are gonna say 100. Some of y'all gonna say 200, some of y'all gonna say 300. Man, I paid $42. I came up with the script, I gave them the script, and they came up with the animation for it. Yes, it's stuff out there, and I learned this from talking to a millennial. Millennials are them young folks that you see always on their cell phone. So listen to some people on how to advertise your business to that next level and give it a more professional appeal, like the logo and also like I said, the whiteboarding. Fam, I hope this information actually helps you out. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I put this information and content out for you guys to hope that you can grow your business and also give you some innovative ideas for your business, because this is the way of the future. People contact people through their smartphones. So you need to come up with ways of getting their attention, because it's hard to get attention from people who just scroll through Instagram all day. You need something innovative, and I'm telling you, some of this, what I just showed you today, it's a little innovative, man. So hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe. Tell me something that's innovative that you do that can get the next generation of people who are looking for services, who are always on their phone. Please put it in the comment section. All right, cut on, lawn care family, cut it on. Well, I guess you ain't gonna be cutting right about now in the winter, huh? But hey, you may be. I'm cutting out. Peace.